Yashwani here. So I did my graduation from Narsi Munji College of Commerce and Economics in BMS. That's Bachelor of Management Studies in Finance. And I have converted IFT Kolkata as of now. I'm waitlisted for Delhi. Among my all the converts, I converted NMIMS, KJ Somaya, Goa Institute of Management, and and I have scored 99.98 in CMAT, so I have a pretty good chance for JVIMS. Yeah, like every when I joined Endeavor, like every CAT aspirant, I had this dream that scoring 99 point plus percentile so that I get into IIM Ahmedabad. But at that time, my realistic goal was getting into SPGen. But Destiny had something different planned for me, and eventually I scored more in my IFT exam than the CAT. The test series at Endeavor, it was actually at par with what questions were faced in the actual exam. So there was this quick advice given to me by my mentor that solve every mock as if it's your final exam. So by the time you're done with your 25 to 30 mocks, you'll be actually giving one mock on the final day. So D-Day was actually a mock for me. There was no pressure as such. We started at Endeavor for GDPI. It was actually a group mentorship program. So when the batches were going on, we were not really close with anyone. But the GDPI phase was the most exciting stage at Endeavor because all of us came together. And first it was about getting prepared yourself within your peer group. Then the faculties or the mentors used to take our mock GDs and PI. And before my IFT, the IFT interview was my very first interview on 29 Jan. And I remember it took around 5 interviews with all senior faculties at Endeavor. So that really helped me. It actually molded because very unexpected questions were thrown at me. And that really helped because same thing happened at IFT, and that time I didn't panic the way I panicked in my mock PIs. During my third PI with faculty, there was this one question that what's your take on war? Is war good for us? I think that time we had some skirmishes on Indo-Pakistan border, and he asked me to set a narrative what I really think about war, and he said just be open. So I linked it to the psychological warfare which is done by troops in the border areas, and that same psychology question was asked me in the final IFT interview. And the other funny part was during my NMIMS interviews, I was asked about how do you see management as a overall thing. And during one of my PIs, I had answered it using Mahabharata, and that actually helped me convert that call because it was the most difficult interview in the all interviews that I faced in this preparation season. At Endeavor, to be honest, I wasn't really very much extrovert at classes, so I couldn't mingle with everybody at the start. By the time my time at Endeavor came to an end, I bonded with almost everybody, with faculties, with students over there. And the mentorship program really helped because the mentorship is not just purely of your academics, right? That when that faculty is assigned to you, you develop a personal relationship with him. He knows about all your life chaos, your troubles, what you're going through. Because exam is not just about academics, about how you frame your mindset and you sit on that day. For the framing that mindset, I think more than setting the targets which were given to us for preparation phase, it was those 5-minute pep talks with your mentor that helped you that my life is going tough, so what should I do with it, how to deal with it. That was much more comfortable for me at that point of time. So my first step to juniors would be that you should be completely determined and completely have a sheer will that you want to see yourself someplace good, because it's a management course. You would be paying 25 lakhs for the entire course. So make sure that you get best out of it. And second tip would be stick till the end, because there are a lot of times no one talks about failures, and I failed a lot of times. My first mock started from 50 percentile till I reached 98.5 for my IFT marks. So it's difficult, and be prepared for uncertainty. So what happened during my IFT exam was, like for all of us, we expected the marking scheme to be +1 minus 1/4 of marks, but suddenly they increased the marks to +3 and 1/4 of it. So a lot of students around me panicked at that time, but you should be adaptable in your approach, the way you should take the exam. And third would be be clear why you want to be on this journey. Just don't be there because all my peers are doing it. MBA करेंगे तो बहुत अच्छी salary मिलेगी. Don't do because of that. See how it is going to personally help you develop yourself. Because my time at office from work experience tells me that you need certain skills, alright, that you can't acquire really by just being in an office environment. You need that education and curriculum and holistic environment where you can enhance your capabilities. So focus on skill development and have a clarity why you are going to a particular B school and what you are going to, and plan a path for yourself, that how you should go about it. Online applications, coming to that, it was very useful because I used Genesis and the GK capsule videos extensively. Because as I said, IFT was one of my dream B school. GK is a huge part of IFT exam. So I used to, when the start of month, the GK capsule used to come out. It used to be for 22 minutes. I used to make down my own notes about writing about it, what are the important points you highlighted. And after doing that, I used to go to Genesis to just recapitulate whatever I have learned. And I maintained this separate GK notebook for the entire course, so that at the end it was helpful for revision for the final exam. I think to describe Endeavor goes with its tagline actually. That's dream, endeavor, and achieve. But I would like to add the fourth element, that is to aspire. Because to set a goal for yourself, you need to aspire something. And I want to be there, as I said, the sheer determination of seeing yourself at a good place. So aspiration is a huge one element that I will add to endeavors.